Jokanyo mopogore opogore medo dhi mbele gi chiwo pachgi e wach mar siro chenro mopogore opogore wi paro mar chik mar bedo gi aguch omenda mag dongruok. Owinje kaka gitwak gi sani.
And we submit that our recommendations, together with what others have also provided, be part of what would help this fund go forward. Otherwise, thank you so much, Chair and committee members.
Thank you very much, FCP Hesbond and your colleagues for that presentation. Honorable Ruto.
Thank you so much, Chair. Allow me to appreciate Institute of Certified Public Accounts led by FCP Omolo and the Directorate on Policy role. Chair, from the spirited introduction by the Institute, I want to appreciate that they also seem to agree that as a nation, we are in that point in time that we need to discuss a way out of the situation where we are in so that we can penetrate or break through in putting our energies on matters infrastructure and development. The main, on this proposal on the clauses, I've seen Institute as focused on giving more role to National Assembly to strengthen oversight. Unlike the bill that speaks of the board, and maybe on a little speak about the Cabinet Secretary, there are less pronunciation of the National Assembly. But I've listened to the presentation, and the Institute is cognizant that the role of National Assembly should come out very well. There are some few clauses that I've seen you are proposing, more many that we will have time to look at them keenly during our retreat as we do our report. But I wanted to know clause 8 and clause 9 and clause 12. In clause 9, you are proposing that we should amend that clause to include a sub-clause 6, where the board shall adopt and publish board charter and committee charters. I feel, Chair, probably this would have bloated the bill so much because some of these things are purely guided under Mongoso, under the standards of governance. Maybe institutes should tell us why they feel should be printed in the bill as opposed to being guided by other instruments of governance. The other issue also which relates to governance is clause 12, where you seek to bring another sub-clause 3. Of course, you are expressly amending clause 2A, where it states that the board may, and instead you are deleting it and replacing the word shall. I don't know the import of this. Probably you can give what is your fears on the word may as it is. What do you feel if it remains as may? What is the fear? But and when you say shall, it means already the board's role has been limited to those specific. Then you introduce another sub-clause 3, where you are bringing on board the issue of committees, investment committee, risk and compliance committee, nomination and remuneration committee, audit committees. Again, same with clause 9, where Mongoso has guided on how the board agendas or affairs should be run through subcommittees to facilitate the ease of work of the board. Why do you feel it should be printed here